All right, so today on this episode, we find ourselves here at White River Falls, about 35 miles south of the Dalles, Oregon. Yeah, I've been wanting to come here for a while. I remember driving past it quite a few times, but never got the chance to stop in here. And this is Tygh Valley, outside of Maupin, Oregon, where it's pretty famous for whitewater rafting. I think it has like class 4 rapids. I don't know if you can catch that on camera, but look at all that mist flying up. It's almost like a mini Niagara. Alright, let's see if we can cruise down to the bottom. Yeah, it's pretty windy right now, but hopefully it's not too bad down there. These cool ruins. This is probably part of the old dam. It's 1910, so I wonder if that was that 1810? Crazy. Let's see what's up here. Cool little bridge there. Yeah, and I guess in the early 1900s, they built a hydroelectric dam here. And I'm guessing this is the remnants of it. It's pretty cool to know that all this stuff is still here after all these years. Pretty rough trail on the way down. Pretty sketchy stairs. Oh, look at that one. Definitely have to come check that out. Yeah, it is pretty crazy that from the highway you don't even see this river till you come down here. Oh, look, a little beach access right there. So yeah, this is the hydroelectric. Probably remnants right here. Rock walls. Nice little river. I heard there's some good fishing in here too. Yeah, this is pretty cool. Oh, look at all the machinery back in there still. Thorn bushes, definitely don't want to get caught up in there. Oh, these ruins are awesome. Oh, look at that machinery. Giant pumps, I'm guessing. Yeah, this place is cool. It's irritating that people like to graffiti. Reminds me of a bunch of kids writing on walls in their bedrooms or something. Yeah, all this construction. It's pretty dang cool. Let's see if I can get back up here somehow. I could get a little peek of the falls over there. Yeah, that's awesome. Oh yeah, definitely windy. Hopefully I don't lose my hat. I don't know, it just seems peaceful here. It's pretty cool. Check out this side. Parts. All right, pretty cool. I like that place. Cruise up here a little bit. Yeah, when we come up here, I thought we were going to be like the only ones because it's kind of out in the middle of nowhere, and Tygh Valley is out in the middle of nowhere by itself, as well as Moppin. But yeah, like there's 2 parking spots, and they're both almost full. Pretty crazy.
Sorry.
Hey, no problem. I have one too. Good boy. Yeah, stairs are a little sketchy. Wow, look at that. Yeah, not too bad of a trail. I think it's about like a 0.5 or 0.7 miles. Yeah, you don't have to cruise all the way down to the bottom to check them out, but definitely pretty cool. Waterfall. Yeah, that's a lot of water. Totally get the Niagara vibes. All right, so that's White River Falls right there. Hope you guys like this little adventure. Feels good to get back out here in the field and check some stuff out. Dirt on our feet and check out these epic locations. So yeah, I hope you guys like this little video. Go ahead and like and subscribe. We'll see you on the next one. Dang, it's a workout coming up that hill. Whew. Pretty cool, you can see all that mist coming up. Alright, get another look from the top before we head out. that's it.